Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today is a lesson of creativity. I'd like to make an unusual garment, decorated with fringe. I'm glad that I've decided to show you this tutorial. I think that it's going to be very interesting. I've already shown you how to make Chanel style fringe yourself. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. Today I'm going to make a vest. I've already cut it according to my basic pattern. Have a look at it. There are no side seams in the garment. When the chest darts are stitched, I'll only have to sew these parts. The bottom and the button stand are already etched. We did it off the camera, so that we can start decorating the garment. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate the lower part. And in the next videos, I'll decorate the upper part. Let's have a look at the decorative details. These are the double-layer fringe stripes. The width of the lower stripe is 6 cm, and the upper one is 4.5 cm. Today, I'd like to show you how to make such fringe. I'm going to apply the stripes to the garment and fix them with a fusible material. I'm going to attach them this way. I share my ideas with you, and you can change the designs I show you however you like. I want you to learn to use your imagination. Don't be afraid of experiments. I'd like to apply the white double-layer stripes on the bottom, and the narrow stripes will be placed on the top. They will be 3 cm wide. The white stripes will make the garment stronger at the bottom. I'm going to combine this cardigan with trousers, skirts or blouses, with my black dress. It will suit many different garments from my wardrobe. I will also decorate the stripes with pearls or beads. I'm sure that they would look amazing. I'm not sure how many pearls I'm going to attach. We'll decide it later. I hope you've learned how to make a pattern for a dress with no side seams in it from the previous video. This garment was cut according to the same pattern. Let's start making decorative details. The 2 stripes are ready. I'd like to show you how to make them. When all of the details are ready, I'll attach them to the garment. I'm glad that I can show you some unusual, creative garments. These details can be moved aside. We've made them off the camera. I need to cut 2 stripes to make one decorative detail. The width of the first stripe should be 6.5 cm and the second one 4.5 cm. Of course, you can make it different. Decorate it with pearls, beads, chains. I don't recommend you combining Chanel style fabric with rhinestones. Be creative. Attach horizontal stripes on the bottom and top, and vertical ones on the waistline. Try leaving some transparent parts in between the stripes. In this case, the garment would look absolutely amazing. I'm cutting the stripe, which is 6.5 cm wide. You can cut it on a bias. You can make different types of fringe. Decorate fringe with chains or chiffon tapes. Use your imagination. I've already shown you how to do it in the videos about making Chanel style fringe. This stripe is 6.5 centimeters wide. And next, I need to cut one more, 4.5 centimeters wide. Double layered fringe stitched to the bottom makes the garment much stronger. It's convenient to cut this fabric according to the drawn lines. I've cut 2 stripes. I like this fabric. It frays easily. It's very convenient to work with it. If you cut the details on the bias, you can make the fringe with the use of a needle. It's not hard to do it. I need to pull the threads out carefully. I've cut the stripes on the lengthwise grain. Make the details as long as you want. It's up to you. Let's have a look at the result. I've pulled some threads out. I really hope that you like this idea. You can repeat after me or make a different decoration. Add chains or chiffon stripes to these details. You can make very unusual decoration. Be creative. We're also going to use the fusible material. Here it is. Have a close look at what I'm doing now. Put one detail on top of the other, and next I need to join them. I'll use fusible material for doing it. When it's done, we will start decorating the vest. Have a look at this stripe. I need to fix 2 stripes together. You can make single-layered fringe, but I want to make the bottom of the garment stronger. I'm going to use the fusible material. Put it in between the 2 stripes. And then press them. Be sure to use the high-quality fusible material. Have a look at the way I'm working. I'm going to decorate the bottom with the 5 double-layer stripes. The other stripes will be single-layered. The decorative detail is almost ready. Shake it this way. That's it. It looks very beautiful. I have 5 double-layer stripes. I'm going to apply them to the garment. I'll show you how to do it in the next video. Of course, you can make different decorations. But if you have a Chanel style skirt, you can decorate a jacket or a vest with such stripes. The suit would look amazing in this case. That's all for today. Next time we'll continue working with this garment. My name is Irina Paukshte. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.